Will Rind, will the European summit over the next 2 days boost gold? Because the Greek vote certainly didn't do anything for it.
Yeah, I mean, unfortunately, there are fairly low expectations for this summit. Some, hawkish comments by Germany about not, mutualizing the debt, if you will, of Europe. But we shall see. I think if we do get some kind of resolution, that will be gold positive.
What are you seeing in terms of trading volumes? Is Europe taking the summer off because you have the Olympics, you have the Euro 2012? So is that affecting gold trading as well?
It is. I mean, this is now getting into the quiet sort of period of the year. As you know, the main market for physical gold is in London. Certainly with the Olympics and then the summer vacation, trading volume has definitely been lighter in the market. But to be fair, it's been light across all asset classes. It's not just gold or precious metals.
So if investors are looking for a commodity to trade, maybe looking for a little bit of action, do you think they can make more money in something like platinum or palladium as opposed to gold?
It's difficult to say exactly. Obviously that will depend on investors. However, interestingly enough, in South Africa, where the majority of platinum comes from, the current president has just started his re-election campaign and sort of fired a warning shot across the mining companies, offering to sort of potentially nationalize those resources, which is pretty powerful rhetoric. So whenever we talk about South Africa and platinum, we always have to keep in the back of our minds the potential for supply disruptions, which typically can result in some price movement for platinum.
So instead of watching Europe, we'll watch South Africa for a little while.
I think South Africa is always a story that will come back to the surface at some point. We've seen continued supply disruptions off and on for the last few years. I don't think that's necessarily going to get much better from here. And with such a huge concentration of supply in one particular country, it makes for an interesting story.